can't tell me that I ain't the realest rap nigga in this game right now, man. Know what I mean?
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright.
It's my turn, man.
Just waiting on that moment.
Oh, I've been waiting long enough, man.
Waiting on my moment.
I'm thinking about my past. Rest in peace to my mama. I had to grow up fast. I ain't had no papa. I had to flip that work. I had to grab that chopper. Me and my little brothers had to go to school looking proper. Along with that paper though, came a little bit of drama. I caught niggas while they was sleeping like they was in pajamas. They killed my best friend. For him, niggas got clapped. I can keep bodying niggas, but I can't bring him back. I was living in them projects, looking out that window like this can't be life. It gotta get better than this, yo. I start writing them raps, then I hit that booth like every line is real. I ain't gon' deny the truth. Then I got with Chris. Lighty made it so easy. I was his new 50 Cent. I was talking so greasy. Then we got that deal. Went and signed with Jay. Then it fucked up with him and Def Jam that went they separate ways. Then I kept on grinding. Got heavy radio play. Now I'm signed with Epic. I want to thank my nigga LA. Chris got me that deal too. Now my nigga ain't here. I know what he be telling me. Right now, if he was here, don't make it look bad. Give it all you got. You want me to be the next Biggie Smalls, 50 Cent, Tupac. His lights, camera, action. When I'm in front of that camera, I'm putting all my niggas on without going broke like Hammer. Free Debo Brown, he was pushing me with this music shit. Gave him 18 years and he ain't even do the shit. Still rocking with Tune Heads. RP to my nigga Proof. How Dre and Snoop used to be. Right now, that's me and Cooch.
I'm living day to day like everything's alright. Every night, just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that, oh shit, hell no. Next time, that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine.